Easter Sunday in Rome, the first Easter in the reign of the new pontiff. 20 cardinals walked in the procession, and borne on the sedia gestatoria, His Holiness Pope John the 23rd was wearing the triple crown, the crown of coronation. While a huge congregation assembled in St. Peter's, at least 100,000 gathered in the rain-swept square to see him pass and to wait during the 3-hour celebration of Mass. The Pope's first Easter message, given the previous evening, included prayers for world peace and for the leaders of states. Their vocation, he said, was that of guardians, not arbiters of their people. After the celebration in the Basilica, His Holiness appeared on the balcony to pronounce his blessing, Urbi et Orbi, to the city and the world. For all the thousands of devout Catholics present, this was the climax of a great occasion, an historic Easter morning in Rome.